Greetings, treasure hunters and adventure seekers. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of metal detectors to uncover the best options for 2023. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or just starting your journey, we've got something for everyone. We've scoured the market to bring you the top-rated devices for finding hidden treasures, relics, and more. Stay tuned as we reveal the best metal detectors to elevate your quest. Let's get started. Number 5. The MT705GH20 underground metal detector is a treasure hunter's dream. With its high sensitivity and 18 kHz frequency, it's perfect for finding gold and other valuable items hidden beneath the earth. The large transflective LCD display provides clear visual feedback, and the backlight ensures you can hunt even in low light conditions. You have the flexibility to adjust settings like sensitivity, discrimination, and ground balance to suit your specific needs. The pinpoint mode helps you zero in on your target's exact location. Plus, it's compatible with headphones for a more immersive experience. Whether you're a coin collector or a serious prospector, this detector's versatility and reliability make it a valuable tool for your treasure hunting adventures. With a 1-year warranty, you can explore with confidence. Happy hunting! Number 4. The Metal Detector Underground Depth 1.8 meters is a powerful tool for treasure hunters and prospectors. With its ability to detect metal objects buried up to 1.8 meters deep, it's perfect for finding valuable items like gold, silver jewelry, coins, and even landmines. This detector offers adjustable sensitivity, making it suitable for both large and small detection scopes. The smart sensor technology provides audio and lighting indications when metal is detected, even in noisy environments. Plus, the earphone sound mode allows for private searches in crowded places. Powered by a rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium battery, this detector ensures you have the energy to search for hidden treasures. Its versatility and accuracy make it an essential tool for anyone in search of the unknown beneath the surface. Number 3. The Professional Underground Metal Detector FS2TX850 is a versatile and powerful tool for treasure hunters and prospectors. With its ability to detect various metals, including gold, silver, bronze, and iron, it's perfect for locating valuable items like jewelry, coins, and relics. This detector comes with a 11-inch DD elliptical waterproof search coil that covers a wide range and can detect objects buried deep underground. Additionally, you have the option to include an extra 5-inch search coil for detecting smaller gold nuggets. The pinpoint button ensures accurate detecting, while the LCD analog display, audio signals, and 3 metal category tones indicate the type of metal detected. Plus, it has a low battery indicator for added convenience. Adjustable height and dual headphone jacks with adjustable volume control make it comfortable to use, day or night. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced prospector, this metal detector is up to the task. Number 2. The Alsun TS180 Professional Underground Metal Detector is a versatile and reliable tool for treasure hunters and metal detecting enthusiasts. It boasts a compact and lightweight design, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Constructed from high-quality materials, this metal detector is built to last, ensuring years of dependable use. Its adjustable features cater to users of different ages and skill levels, allowing for a customizable experience. The detector offers adjustable sensitivity, auto ground balance, and various detection modes, including all metal and discrimination modes. The LCD display provides clear indications of the operating status, battery charge level, and metal detection intensity. Plus, it features a waterproof search coil for added versatility. With its exceptional performance and user-friendly design, the Alsun TS180 is a valuable companion for any metal detecting expedition. Whether you're a novice or an experienced detectorist, this tool will help you uncover hidden treasures with ease. Number 1. The MD3028 LCD Underground Metal Detector is an excellent choice for treasure hunters and metal detecting enthusiasts. It's equipped with patented LCD display technology that enhances the accuracy of target pinpointing and detection mode adjustment, making it an essential tool for anyone passionate about treasure hunting. This metal detector is versatile and ideal for various applications, including treasure hunting, archaeological exploration, and security checks. Its LCD display is particularly useful for nighttime or low-light conditions, ensuring you can continue your searches without limitations. With features like automatic metal detection, three-tone target identification, and pinpointing capability, this detector streamlines your hunting experience. It even offers unwanted target elimination, allowing you to focus on valuable finds. The MD-3028 boasts a durable and water-resistant design, making it suitable for outdoor adventures and use in shallow water. Its adjustable stem ensures comfortable operation, and the armrest and extra-thickened handle reduce strain during long hunts. Overall, the MD-3028 LCD underground metal detector is a powerful and reliable device that enhances your metal detecting experience, making it easier and more enjoyable to discover coins, relics, jewelry, gold, and silver. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned detectorist, this detector is a valuable addition to your arsenal. Happy hunting!